Hello students, this is Vikas sir and welcome you all again to our VANIK Smart. So student, in our YouTube platform now, today we are going to discuss about another probable MCQ, 21 MCQ for our upcoming examinations, OSSC CGL Combined Graduate Level Examinations, and we are expecting it will be held after your elections, right? So students, now go for the discussion about the relevant questions. It is a probable question which I have designed for your upcoming examination, Odisha Staff Selection Commission Combined Graduate Level Examination. Okay. So students, let's go about the discussion for the computer awareness part. Okay. So go to question number 1. So students, see here the question number was given. The human readable version of the program is known as dash. Options are given: source code, program code, human code, system code. So students, remember, the code which is written by the user, the code which is given by the user is nothing but the source code, and the source code is nothing but human understandable code. Human understandable code. So as the question asks that the human understandable code is nothing but what? The answer is source code. And while we are giving the code to the computer system, it is converted into machine understandable code, and which is known as your binary code or machine code or system code. So students, question number 1, here answer is A, and that is source code. Clear? Right? Then goes to question number 2. So students, see here, what is the question number 2? The question number 2, it has given, what type of program controls the various computer parts and allow the user to interact with the computer system? So here options are utility software, operating system, word processing software, database program. So students, listen, understand about the question. What is the question? What part of the program control the various part of the computer system and allow the user to interact with the computer system? So students, remember, there is a software, and this software is known as operating system, which works as an interface between the user and hardware, and this operating system allow the user to interact with the hardware as well as it can control the various component of the computer system. That's why question number 2 answer is B, and it is operating system. So easily you can choose the answer dash control the various component as well as that can allow the interaction to the computer system. That's why simply the answer is operating system, and the operating system is nothing but an operating system is nothing but a system software. Clear? Okay. So Suryakant, question number 1 already done. Question number 2 answer is B, operating system. Okay. Then goes to question number 3. Let's go about the question number 3. Electronic pens are used with the mouse to write on the slide in which view? So it has given the electronic pens are used with the mouse to write on the slide in which view? Options are master, slide sorter, slide show, normal. So questions is very simple. It is indicate that while the user start the slide show presentations, okay, with the help of the electronic pen, okay, simply we can say light pen, we can write on the slide, okay, and it is nothing but our slide show view. Okay, so question number 3 answer is C, it is nothing but your slide show view. So while the slide show will be carried out, okay, and with the detailed descriptions by the speaker, we can easily write some content relevant to the description and through the light pen, and in the view is slide show view. So question number 3 answer is C. Then goes to question number 4. So what is question number 4? The bar that is usually located immediately. So it has asked a simply bar that usually located immediately below the menu bar, okay, on the windows. So students, it has asked below the menu bar there is another bar, and it has asked what is the bar. Option is toolbar, tax bar, catalog bar, window bar. So students, catalog bar is not there. Tax bar is related to Windows, so it is also not there. Windows bar is also not available, so answer is toolbar. So students, remember, the topmost bar is nothing but the title bar, and below the title bar there is another bar. This bar is known as menu bar, and below the menu bar the toolbar is there, and this toolbar is nothing but standard toolbar, or we can say formatting toolbar. Okay, so question number 4 answer is A. So Suryakant, okay, Kartikeshwar, Giraffe, okay. So question number 4 answer is A, and that is toolbar. Okay. So what is the concept of tax bar? So students, the concept of tax bar means simply we can say a long horizontal bar which is present. I am telling to you, students, listen, understand, listen carefully. Concentrately also, the long horizontal bar which is present on the bottom position of the desktop screen means while we switched on our computer system after the booting operation, the main screen area that is appear is known as desktop screen, and on the desktop screen on the bottom lines a long horizontal bar is there, and this is nothing but the tax bar. But the question has given which bar is present just below the menu bar. So answer is toolbar. So question number 4 answer is A. Then goes to question number 5. Question number 5, students, see here, C language, basic language, okay, COBOL, Java, these are the example of dash. So students, remember that C, okay, basic, okay, COBOL, Java, these are all high level programming language. So students, question number 5 answer is D. All are high level programming language. Okay, the first high level language is nothing but Fortran, and some other relevant high level language, students, I am telling to you, like Fortran, COBOL, ALGOL, Snowball, Pascal, Basic, C, C++, Java, Logo, HTML, Prolog, Lisp, Python, Mercury. So many types of high level programming languages are there, and students, remember that the high level programming languages has introduced from 3rd generation onwards. So here question number 5 answer is D. Then goes to question number 6. Goes to question number 6. Making illegal copies. So students, see here, making illegal copy of copyright software is called dash. So students, if we are violating the copyright protocols, then it is known as software piracy. Means infringing the copyright is nothing but software piracy. If we are infringing the copyright product of a company, okay, and we are making the duplicacy of this product, and this is nothing but the software piracy. So question number 6 answer is A, and the answer is software piracy. Then goes to question number 7. Question number 7. The action of moving the page up. The action of moving the page up and page down in the screen is called dash. Option is scrolling, licking, harking, framing. So simply, students, remember that we have two scroll button. One is horizontal scroll bar, another is vertical scroll bar. So vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar, we can scroll the documentation through the help of page up and page down. So it is nothing but scrolling. So question number 7 answer is A, and it is nothing but what? Scrolling. And there are two scroll bar. One is vertical scroll bar, another is horizontal scroll bar. So question number 7 answer is A. Very good. Then goes to question number 8. which of the following package is best suited for preparing the presentation? So student, it has asked which type of software is best for preparing presentation, means slides. So we can choose Microsoft PowerPoint is the best application through which you can make the presentations, okay, by using number of slides which contain the text and graphics, right? So question number 8 answer is D, that's it, and it is PowerPoint presentation. MS Excel, so what is the question is related to MS Excel, students? Excel is nothing but an application software and basically used for tabulation and to perform the numerical calculation also. And Unix is nothing but a command line interface operating system, and Windows, it is a graphical user interface operating system, and that we are using in our personal computer, and latest version of Windows is MS Windows 11. So question number 8 answer is D. Then goes to question number 9. Understand, students? Then goes to question number 9. So what is the question here? Students, see here, what is the question? Dash is the process of creating the duplicate set of, creating a duplicate set of program or data for safekeeping. Okay. So students, remember that in our computer system we are using operating system, some application software, some relevant important data, okay, the confidential information, these are so important, but as it is stored in our computer system, there is a possibility our computer system can be cracked, our computer system can be malfunctioning, can be dead. So there is a possibility the data inside the computer system can also be dead. That's why we need to make a duplicate set, okay, and this is nothing but your backup. So question number 9 is answer C, backup. If you back up our important file, document, software and application, so whenever the machine will be crashed, we can restore the data, and this process is known as restoration, and the data is known as backup data. So question number 9 answer is C, and this is backup. It is nothing but an utility tools. Utility tools. Clear? Then goes to question number 10. The dash button, it has asked the dash button on the quick access tool allow you to contact with your recent command. Okay, so which button, okay, in the quick access tool will allow you to contact with the recent command. Okay, so option is search, cut, document, undo. So students, answer question number D, and question number 10 answer is D. Undo, this is Control Z, means backward change, backward. So if anything you have modified and you want to instantly back to the related data work, so this is nothing but your undo, and the shortcut key is Control Z. So question number 10 answer is D, undo, right? Then goes to question number 11. So question number 11, it has asked to delete the file permanently, from the computer system, what is the shortcut key? So here shortcut key is, students, shift plus delete. So answer is A. Question number 11 answer is A, shift delete. If you delete the data, then it goes to the recycle bin. Okay, but if you want to delete the data permanently, here we can choose shift plus delete. So if you press shift plus delete, the data cannot be moved to recycle bin, the data can delete it permanently. So here question number 11 answer is A. Then goes to question number 12. The basic memory in which random access is not possible. The basic memory in which random access is not possible. ROM, RAM, cache, flash. So students, there is a question. Here the question is that in which memory the random access cannot be possible. So answer is A, ROM, because ROM it is read only memory, read only memory means we can only read the data but we cannot write the data, okay, and all the content inside the ROM, it is fully provided by the manufacturer, and these are known as firmware. These are known as FIRM, firmware, and the firmware cannot be modified, cannot be deleted also, because with the support of the firmware, computer system can be boot up, computer system can be functioning. That's why question number 12 answer is ROM. Rest are, it can be both read and write operations whenever it is necessary. So question number 12 answer is A. Then goes to question number 13. Question number 13, a field is a related group of dash. So students, remember that it has asked, it is simply a MS Access question, database question. A field is a related group of dash. Option is given record, file, character, cable. So students, question number 13 answer is C, character. So there is a sequence, students, I am writing here, and you should note down who are watching the video also. So the smallest is character, okay, by related character field will be created, field, by related field record will be created, and by related record file will be created, and by related file database will be created. So this is the sequence. So students understand, and you can note down who are watching the video also. The sequence is, first is character, smallest to largest. First is character, second is field, third is record, fourth is file, and fifth is database. So this is the increasing order, the smallest data to largest in a database. So question number 13 answer is C, character, and this is the sequence. I am repeating again. First is character, then field, then record, then file, and then database. Students, clear? Okay, clear? Giraffe, Suryakant, Kartikeswar, okay, everybody clear? Okay, then goes to question number 14. To restart the computer, which key is used? So students, it has asked to restart the computer, which key is used? So answer is, okay, so it has given control plus delete, backspace plus control, control alt home, and reset button. So question number 14, okay, to restart the computer, which key is used? So students, simply we can choose control plus alt plus home. So this is the key through which we can restart our computer system. Control plus alt plus home. So question number 14 answer is C. Okay, control. Okay. So yes, Suryakant, in the older version we can choose control alt delete. In the older version, right, before Windows 7 we can choose control plus alt plus delete. Okay, so this is also the command through which we can restart the computer system, reboot the computer system, but this is in older version, right? And in the new version we can choose control plus alt plus home. Okay, so question number 14 answer is C. Then goes to question number 15. What is the shortcut keys used to replace? Very popular question. So students, this is the question recently asked in 2022 CGL, OSSSC CGL. Okay, so for replace, so students remember, for replace answer is control plus H. So question number 15 answer is C, and this is control plus H. So control plus H, question number 15 answer is C, control plus H, it is used for replace. Then goes to question number 16. What do you mean by workspace? So students, it has given, what do you mean by workspace? The group of columns, the group of worksheet, group of rows, group of workbooks. So students, simply the workspace is nothing but your workbook, and the workbook is nothing but the group of worksheet. So here question number 16 answer is B. The group of worksheet can represent the workbook, and the workbook is simply your workspace. It is related to your Excel sheet. So students, Excel sheet is your workbook and this workbook is the group of worksheet, and by default there are three sheets are there, S1, S2, S3. So students, remember by default there are three sheets are available, okay, in MS Excel, and if you add more sheet then shortcut key is Shift plus F11. Shift plus F11, if you press in Excel, it will add S4, S5, F6 accordingly. So question number 16 answer is B. Then goes to question number 17. What is the symbol for dividing? So students, it has asked what is the symbol for dividing. So this is the symbol of the divisions. Okay. So 17, question number 17 answer is A. So dividing or divisions, this is the slash symbol. Okay. Then goes to question number 18. Slide sorter of the PowerPoint is available in which menu? So students, it has asked slide sorter is available in PowerPoint in which menu? Option are given: insert menu, file menu, view menu, slideshow menu. So students, question number 18 answer is C, view menu. So in the view menu, we can choose the slide sorter. Slide sorter means, remember that all the slides you can see in a single window. Suppose there are 10 number of slides in PowerPoint. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 number of slide it can be viewed in a single window. This is known as your slide sorter view. And question number 18 answer is C, view menu. Then goes to question number 19. Dash control all the main slide control tags for your presentation. Tax pen, tax bar, control panel, none of these above. Dash control all the main slide control tags for your presentation. So this is nothing but the tax pen. So question number 9 answer is A. Tax pen means where all the slide will be shows. This is nothing but your tax pen. So question number 19 answer is A. Tax bar, it is related to your Windows desktop screen, okay, and control panel, it is the setting of the computer system. So it has asked to control all the main slide, okay, in your presentation. So answer is A, tax pen. So question number 19 answer is A, and that is tax pen. Then goes to question number 20. How many columns can you insert in a Word document maximum? Very popular question. So students, it has asked how many columns you can insert in Word document. So students, okay, try to give the answer. Let's see who can give the answer. How many columns you can insert in a Word? So anybody? Okay, so students, I am telling to you, the question is given how many columns we can insert the Word document in maximum. So students, the actual answer is 63. Okay, the actual answer is 63. It has also the question in 2022 CGL exam. Okay, but the 60, these are the same option. The 63 option is not given. That's why the nearest option is we can choose 65, but actual answer is 63. 63 number of columns we can add in the Word document maximum. Okay, and this same question also asks in CGL, right? But if it is not given none of these above, and if it is not given 63, then we can choose 65. Otherwise, if none of these above is there in the options, then we can choose none of these above. But if the option is exactly 63 is mentioned, then we can choose 63. So, okay, so for this purpose 20 we can choose D, but actual answer is 65 instead, it is 63. Clear? Yes, Suryakant, your answer is correct, it is 63. But if it is not mentioned and none of these above is not there, then we can choose 65. Then goes to question number 21. Which option in file put down menu is used to close the file in MS Word? New, quit, close, exit. Which option in file put down the menu used to close in MS Word? So students, in MS Word we can close the file. Okay, there is a option which is known as, okay, close button. Okay, we can use the close, through which we can close. Okay, and shortcut key is Control plus W. So if the shortcut key is given, then answer is Control W. Otherwise we can choose C, and this is close. The shortcut key, students, remember, Control W, through which we can close the current Word documentations. Clear? So question number 21, answer is C, and its shortcut key is Control W. Right? So these are the probable 25 questions. I have just combined some previous year question 2022 and some question I have added, okay, rest based upon your upcoming exam. So these are the valuable questions which we have discussed. So students, thank you very much watching this video today, and in the next session again we will develop another 25 probable question which is more important for your upcoming examinations. Okay, so students, thank you very much. We will meet again with a new more 25 questions in the next new session. Okay, thank you.